Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovital Narcisse. And for tonight, as you know, my background is very dark. It's nighttime here in the Philippines, and for tonight, I'm going to feature to you a video of all the Levi's items that I was able to purchase and buy for the month of July, and that is last month. And one by one, I'm going to present to you these items. As I start, I have two Western shirts, two Polo Shirts. I'm going to present to you first these short sleeve shirts that I bought from the local Levi's store here in Metro Manila. The first one is they call this stripe. This is the relaxed Western shirt of Levi's. The size is extra small because this is the relaxed size, and a small size is very too big for me. And this is short sleeve. It has Western pockets, two Western pockets on the front with snap buttons, and this is very nice. And there is a single button, which is not a snap button, on the upper neck portion. And I think the price of this is 2,199 pesos, but I was able to get a discount for 15%, and it has a single yoke at the back, and the measurement is 18 on the shoulder, 20.5 on the arm, pit to pit, and 19 inches on the opening. And the overall length is 26 or 27 inches. The other one is a stripe, 100% cotton. By the way, this is 100% cotton. This is also a relaxed Western or relaxed Western shirt made of 100% cotton from Levi's. Just the same. It has two Western pockets with flap and snap button. All the way it is a snap button except for the last button on the neck portion. This is an ordinary button. The price of this is 2,199, but of course I was able to get a discount 15%, and the size of this is extra small. Since I started again to play golf, I was able to see this polo shirt from Levi's, and I got the blue one, and this is the price of this is 1,799, but of course I was able to get a discount of 15% of this polo shirt. And the other one is, this is the same. I got the black color with some prints, and the price is 1,755 less 15%, and it is a nice deal. So I got two polo shirt. This is 100% cotton, and then two short sleeve Western shirt, one with striped cotton, 100% cotton, and the other one is a checkered cotton fabric. The last one is a Selvedge Denim from Levi's. This is their, what is this? This is their made and crafted category of Levi's denim model, and this one is in their Selvedge denim category, and the weight of this jeans is, or the fabric is 14 ounces, which is heavier than the usual shrink to fit 12 ounces as weight. And this is a big E. This is a reproduction of the 1980 Z model of the Levi's 501 jeans, and I got size 29 because size 30 is too big for me, and this is just the right size for my waist. Actually, the waist is 30. Actual measurement is 30 inches, and the inseam is 32 inches, and this is a 501 cut, but it has a taper on the hem. So you have the self edge of the fabric, nice chase stitch at the hem. You have those buttons, and you have also a pickable salvage on the watch pocket or coin pocket. Nice arc weight on the back pocket. Copper rivets on the front pockets, and of course a hidden bar tuck on the back pockets. So what I like in this is this is a high-rise 501 jeans, and it is very nice, very comfortable, and the hips is 11.5, and the knee is almost 8 inches, and the hem is 7 inches. So this will be a part of my collection of Selvedge denim from Levi's, together with their vintage 501 LVC, which I have in my collection. So it has a black leather patch. In the Levi's USA website, this is priced as $180. So if you order from their website, more or less when it reaches my place here in Metro Manila, it will cost more than almost 12,000 pesos, together with the shipping and some VAT taxes. However, the price of this is 8,990, which is a good deal, and I was able to get some voucher credits from the past purchases that I got, and I was able to deduct the price from the credits that I have, and it was a nice deal. Actually, the actual price that I got from this, from 9,000, I think I got only about less than 8,000. So I had a discount of almost 1,000 pesos for this. And if I bought it online, this might cost me almost 12,000 pesos. So I was able to save at least 2 to 3,000 pesos from buying this in a local store here in the Philippines. A good deal. So this is heavier than the shrink to fit, as this is 100% cotton and the weight is 14 ounces per square yard. So with that, thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments on this item, please say so on the comment section. If you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click it so that you will be notified of my future contents in this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and so that we can sustain maintaining and keeping posting and making video contents on this YouTube channel. With that, thank you very much and good evening to everybody. Bye.